Hi, I'm Surpa Sail, course instructor for fluid mechanics. In this presentation, we will learn about types of equilibrium. Here we can see a cone which is standing on one of its tip. G is the center of gravity through which the total weight of the cone will act. Weight is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. So W is equal to m into G. Since this cone is resting on a plane surface, maybe a table, the reaction will be offered by the table on the cone. Hence, R represents the reaction. This cone is in equilibrium under the action of force of gravity, that is mg, which is acting in downward direction, and an equal and opposite reaction R to the weight exerted on it by the table. The slightest vibration would cause the cone to tilt. So, the force of gravity mg would exert a turning force about the tip, and this will cause the cone to topple over. And the cone placed on the tip is said to be in unstable equilibrium, as it does not regain this original position. And here in this figure we can see that the cone is resting on one of its base A, B. If this cone is tilted from the position, the vertical line through the center of gravity G will fall inside the base A, B, which will pull back the cone back to its original position. Hence, the cone is said to be in stable equilibrium. And here we can see that the cone is lying on its side. The base is a straight line, and if this cone is rolled into a new position, the vertical line through the center of gravity G still continues to pass exactly through the same point in the base. Whatever be the position of the cone, the reaction from the table R will act in the same straight line as the force of gravity to the point G. Hence, the cone will be in equilibrium, and therefore it will remain at rest even in new position. This condition is called as neutral equilibrium. Here again we can see the three types of equilibrium. First one is stable equilibrium, second is unstable equilibrium, and third is neutral equilibrium. For unstable equilibrium, the position of center of gravity will be lower. For unstable, it will be higher. Hence, in modern buses, the luggage compartments are situated in the lower part, so that the lower the position of center of gravity, more will be the stability. And the buses which carry heavy luggage on the upper carrier are always unstable, as the center of gravity are raised. Hence, it should be seen to it that the buses which carry heavy luggage should have a compartment at the lower part. This figure represents a neutral equilibrium. Here the cone has been placed on its side, and therefore it will roll over. And due to this, there won't be any change in the position of the center of gravity. Center of gravity will remain at the position which was earlier. Hence, the body is said to be in the state of neutral equilibrium. Whatever may be the position of the object, center of gravity will occupy the same position. Now we will find out which are the factors affecting stability. First one is area of the base. A body with larger base area will have the line through its center of gravity passing through its base even when tilted through a larger angle. Hence, the larger the base area, the more stable a body is. Here we can see for this car, the base area is less. And we can see that the vertical line passing through the center of gravity G is not lying within the base. Maybe if we consider this as point A and this as point B, the vertical line passing through the center of gravity G is not passing through AB. It is outside AB. Hence, car topples. But in the second sketch, we can see that the vertical line passing through the center of gravity G is falling within the base AB. Hence, car does not topple over. Second factor is the position of the center of gravity. A body having its center of gravity very low is more stable compared to one with the raised center of gravity. We know that if the center of gravity is lower, it is said to be in stable equilibrium, and if the center of gravity is higher, then we say that the object is in unstable equilibrium. The center of gravity of a body can be lowered by making its base heavier in order to increase the stability of the body. Next, we will find out which are the applications of stability. The buses are built using lighter materials on the upper part but heavy ones on the lower part in order to lower their center of gravity. The luggage is also put in the compartments below the passenger seats. So both of these enhance the stability of the bus. And if the wheelbase is longer, the vehicle will be more stable. Here we can see a racing car. When it moves, the car tries to turn like this arrow shown over here, because the braking force, which is shown in red color, has a lever on the center of gravity, which is shown by orange color. So, an increase in the weight in the forward tires will turn the car in the opposite direction to compensate this disturbing couple. So, this is a disturbing couple and this will be the restoring couple, due to which the car will be stable. Thank you.